This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a chicken farm in Minecraft Bedrock. First, gather your essential materials: a dispenser, at least one hopper, a chest, and some solid building blocks. This design is incredibly efficient, providing you with a steady supply of cooked chicken and feathers without constant supervision. It's a fantastic way to automate food and feather collection in your world, making survival much easier. Next, create an enclosure for your chickens, ensuring they stand on a block directly above a hopper. This hopper will collect all the eggs they lay. The collected eggs are then transferred into a dispenser. Position this dispenser so it shoots eggs towards a single lava source block. This setup is key for hatching new chickens and for the cooking mechanism we'll discuss shortly. As the eggs hatch, the baby chickens will grow. Once they become adult chickens, the lava source block will automatically cook them. This ingenious design ensures that only adult chickens are affected, leaving the baby chickens to grow safely. The cooked chicken and feathers will then drop into a hopper placed beneath the lava, which funnels all these valuable items directly into a conveniently located chest. With these steps, your automatic chicken farm is complete. You now have a highly efficient system that continuously produces cooked chicken and feathers, making it an excellent source of food and crafting materials. This compact design fits well into most bases and requires minimal maintenance once built. Enjoy the benefits of passive resource generation, freeing you up for other adventures in your Minecraft world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.